Does this sound familiar? Over time, the pile of offcuts in your workshop keeps growing. Sometimes they are too small, sometimes too narrow, often unlabeled. And in the end, they remain unused. This takes up valuable space, ties up capital, and makes the search for the right offcut a daily test of patience. The good news? There's another way. Our manual offcut management brings clarity and structure to your offcut storage, right at the saw. This means you always know what offcuts are available, where they are located, and whether they can be used. How does it work? Thanks to the simple quick start guide on the saw, or further details at docs.homag.cloud, you can easily set up your manual offcut management right in your workshop. First, create your offcut shelf digitally with WoodStore. The height, width, depth, number and size of the compartments can be customized to suit your requirements. This allows you to benefit from the intelligent WoodStore functions even without a connected panel storage system. You can then record any offcut as usable stock, label it and assign it to a compartment. If an offcut is created from a cutting plan, that means during production, it is automatically assigned to a suitable compartment. Withdrawals can be made either automatically through optimization or manually. In both cases, the offcuts are immediately booked out. This means that WoodStore is always up to date and knows which offcuts are available and where the offcuts are located. During production, the required offcut is displayed on the saw at an early stage, ensuring that production processes run always smoothly and without unnecessary waiting times. You are probably familiar with situations where an offcut is not to be used directly on the saw. For example, an offcut may be used as a sample or taken to a construction site as a spare. In this case, the offcut can be removed easily and quickly using an optional scanner. The traffic lights displayed the status of the parts immediately. If the light is red, the part has already been allocated. If the traffic light is green, you can remove the part directly and it will be checked out. Thanks to our customers, we know that managing offcuts pays off after just a few months. Reasons for this are lower material consumption and sustainable use of resources, as well as more space in the workshop and time savings. You too can use your material efficiently in a transparent and structured manner. Please talk to your HOMAG sales partners. We will be happy to advise you and find the right solution for you.